Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. Devja, pediatric pulmonologist, intensivist and sleep specialist, India, Chief Faculty, Respiratory Foundation of India. Today I am going to discuss an interesting case in newborn. 3 weeks newborn has been brought to me with history of persistent cough and fever. When I examined the child, there was no tachypnea. Respiratory rate was only 34 per minute. There was no tachycardia. Heart rate was only 120 beats per minute. Blood pressure was systolic was 70 millimeter of mercury. But on auscultation, I got a continuous murmur radiating to the back. Immediately, I suspected there is some congenital heart disease and requested for echocardiography, but the cardiologist, pediatric cardiologist, ruled out any congenital heart disease. Again, what I did ultrasonography lung. We are doing now focused point of care ultrasonography lung, and what I found, there was echo dense lesion in the left lower lobe supplied by an anomalous artery originating from the aorta, and the diagnosis was clear. It was sequestration of lung. In this background, I will like to discuss some congenital lung malformations. There are some congenital lung malformations we should know, and treatment is usually surgery by a pediatric surgeon. So congenital lung malformations are CPAM, congenital pulmonary airway malformations, in which there is cystic lesion, maybe some solid lesion, and maybe mixed cystic and solid lesions. Then congenital lobar emphysema, in which there is hyperdistension of one lobe of the lung and suppression of the other lobes. Then comes bronchogenic cyst, there is cystic lesion, and then sequestration, and this diagnosis was sequestration of the lung. Pulmonary sequestration we call it. It may be intrapulmonary or extrapulmonary locations. So we should know the usual locations of these lung malformations. So CPAM is usually found in the lower lobes, and usually it is seen right side more than the left side. CLE, congenital lobar emphysema, is usually located in the left upper lobe. Bronchogenic cyst, usually it is located in the middle mediastinum near the carina or in the subcarinal locations. And if it is intrapulmonary, it may be located near the diaphragm. So this is bronchogenic cyst. Sequestration, it is usually located in the left side posterior-basal location of the left lower lobe of lung. Sometimes there is mixed lesion. Mixed lesion means CPAM with sequestration, in which there will be cystic lesion and supplied by anomalous artery originating from the aorta. So these are the usual locations. CLE, congenital lobar emphysema, also called congenital lobar overdistension, CLO. Most of the time it is located in the left upper lobe, then according to frequency right middle lobe, and then the right upper lobe. So I have told you the usual locations of congenital lung malformations. We should keep our eyes open to look for these congenital lung malformations, and usually these congenital lung malformations may be a cause of respiratory distress in newborn, may be a cause of persistent pneumonia, may be the cause of recurrent pneumonia. So it is our responsibility to diagnose it timely and treat it timely. For more knowledge about pediatric respiratory medicine, join fellowship under Respiratory Foundation of India, empowering doctors for better pediatric respiratory care by redefining pediatric respiratory medicine in India. Thanks.